What is up, guys? It's Chris, your favorite digital marketer, and I'm here to help you with your problems. Today, I'm going to help you with this issue. My website is not showing up in Google search, right? You have a website, you're in Google, you're searching for it, and you're like, I just can't find it. What is going on? So, I'm going to be honest with you. This is a lot more complicated than like me giving you a simple answer, but what I'm going to do is kind of just give you a quick little guide on what I think might be able to help you with this. So, let's just deep dive into it. And by the way, if you can't figure this out and you want to, by any means, contact me, I will throw my website in the description box because I am a full-time digital marketer. Let's move on. Okay, so we're going to go to google.com. And what you want to do is you want to type in your website. A new website that I just started making was chrisweber.network. Let's see if that comes up. And see if I do a search for it, it does not come up. And that's just like, it's just like this new portfolio website I'm making. So it doesn't come up. So what you want to do is we're going to do a new search. So go to Google, and what you want to do is you want to listen closely. Click SITE colon. So site colon. This is a specific search syntax for Google searches to search for like a particular website. So what we're going to do is then now you want to put in your website. So it was Chris Weber. And again, this is just like an example, chrisweber.network site. And I can see that Google has not crawled this website. But yet, if I go to the website, it is live. I know it is. I just literally just got done working on it. And I've been using it as an example website to do a lot of these video tutorials. So what this tells me is if your website does not come up, that's because Google hasn't indexed it. And when I say index, I mean that Google hasn't, Google essentially is an algorithm, and it just crawls through all the web pages on the internet, and it hasn't crawled your web page yet. And what you need to do is we need to figure out a way to get it crawled. So, a lot of guides, if you Google this, they're going to give you like generic stuff, like you need to go to the Google Webmaster Tools and add your website. But honestly, that's not the best route. What I would advise you to do is to start sharing your website link places. Like for instance, create a Facebook page and put your website link in there, and then like make some posts on the Facebook page, or create a YouTube channel and upload a new video. And because what that's going to do is that is going to like the manner in which Google goes to websites to read them is through links. That's what it uses. It's almost like it's how it crawls through. They call them spiders. Google's search index spiders. And I know this probably sounds like crazy talk to you guys, but what you want to do is you want to get on Google, or not Google, but just get on social media platforms, start sharing your website as many places as you can. And you can also, if this is a local website for you, what you can do is you can start adding your website to like local listings. Like if you go to business, local listings, or just go like this, business, add my listing, and there's tons of them. Business profile. You can do Foursquare, you can do Yelp, you can do literally as many as you want. And they call these citations. I should have known that. Business citation sites. Yeah, sites. Sorry, I can't speak. So top 50 general citation sites. And this is by Bright Local. Here's where you can add them. Type top citation sites in the US. This is what's really going to kind of help boost your rankings with Google. You can add it to Bing, you can add it to Yelp, you can add it to Foursquare, bbb.org, Yellow Pages, MapQuest. And what you do is you kind of just go through all these websites and manually add your business profile. Because when people search for your business, these profiles are going to link back to your business website. And what is maybe hands down the biggest factor of like the biggest citation is Google My Business pages. So let's go back here, and I want to show you an example. Like if I were to do a search for like let's do roofing business near me. Because when people search for the searches near me, this is where you want to have your business listing and have a link back to your website. Like if I click here, Rival Roofing, and I click on the website, that links to that website of the business. And that's how Google starts to learn your business. And this is a huge factor, guys. Like if you're not on Google My Business, I would argue that being on Google My Business is more important than you having a website, because I know a lot of businesses that don't even have a website. Because honestly, if you think about it, um I'm a digital marketer, and people get construed on like the whole aim and goal of your business website. You got to think, what is the goal of the viewer as they go to your website? Usually the goal is for them to buy stuff or to contact you to buy your service. So a lot of times what we'll do is we'll just plaster a contact form right on the homepage, right in the middle, and people think I'm crazy, but it's like the goal here is to get people to contact you and talk about your services, right? It's a huge, huge deal. And this Google My Business stuff is arguably more important than having a website. So chances are you've gone down this rabbit hole of like thinking your business, because chances are you've gone down this rabbit hole of trying to get your business on Google because you read somewhere that it's a huge deal for search engine optimization to be seen in Google, which it is. It's a huge deal. But you'll probably have better luck with Google My Business because it's an easier thing to set up, and it just brings in tons of like if someone were to do like like if you were to get in Google and do say your business is like a hair salon, and people search for hair salons near me. What happens is the the search results are catered to that person viewing this based upon locality. So even if your business isn't super popular, if someone is located near you, your listing is going to come up first. And that's a huge factor that a lot of people don't take account for. So hopefully this video helped you in figuring out why your website is not showing up in Google search. Hopefully I helped you. Another thing that might be happening is if you're on a free website builder, like like Squarespace or something, you need to make sure that you go into the settings tab and make sure that there's like a tab that says like allow search engines to see my website. Because what happens is when you don't check that, it puts like a no follow tag on there that puts code in your website that tells Google and all the other search engines like Bing and Yahoo not to read it. But that's getting pretty technical. It's called the no index tag. So if you guys have any questions, again, my website will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it can be a struggle trying to set all this stuff up by yourself. I'm a real world dude just trying to help businesses get more customers. So hopefully this video helped you. Hit me up in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. And yeah, I'm just chilling, right, guys? All right. I will see you in the next one.